So the man just come in with some squash looking thing, you know. Fresh from the farm. So them have string bean. Them have a pumpkin them we use make soup. You know, so today I sat there, should I make some soup?
So, welcome back, Yard and Foreign Life people. This is Canadian style Saturday soup.
Yeah man, so we'll catch it with the water. But if you go in a soup, this time I'm going to cut up the chicken and thing. And just stay tuned, watch what go on. And cut it up with the big axe.
Chopper man. Japanese chopper. We'll mix up the chicken with some turkey, carcass, turkey meat. And we'll make a nice turkey and chicken soup. And we have really the lady with the video. In charge of the kitchen, head chef. We'll watch our lemon, right?
Yeah. Wash your chicken up.
I forgot to tell you now. Look at the time. So we're going to be seeing how long it's going to take. It's now 6:43. So we're going to see how long this pot of soup is going to take. Okay, guys. So we soon forward, all right?
Same time, just drop them in a pot. Want them to cook. Want the meat to cook with the carrots. Can cover it. Alright, run some pumpkin now. These are onions.
Very.
I do some.
I go cook out, you know. So we cook out to take care of it.
Okay, okay. So as he said, we're doing bite sizes to make it easier to cook.
So yeah, we're gonna put in that pumpkin in our pot. I'll make it go and boil out, cook, and check it out. So we already put some garlic in our pot already, and you know, some carrots. So we are going to simmer the one thing. You want corn in the now?
Yes, from the beginning. I remember we tell if we cut them kind of smaller. So soup without corn for me is no soup. Because I love me some corn.
Kitchen start smell up good, I don't know. I want the kitchen start smell up good. Oh, then do you have? You have to get rid of the hair, the man thing. You know the hair good for things, good for your high blood pressure. Like you can just peel off your hair, wash it, boil it, or dry it.
The corn hair, please be precise.
Yeah, exactly.
Hear this now. Let me start over. Since people are so, you might have the wrong impression of what me I talk about. You see them sitting here? Them here, these here, they are good for blood pressure. You just wash it, take it off the corn, wash it, put it in boiling water, let it boil, let it draw or simmer down, and then you drink it. Drink it as water. And trust me, that get down blood pressure. You want them like this?
Yes.
Guys, don't try this at home. If you're not a professional, don't do it.
Finished product.
Alright, so this now is some flour, some cornmeal, and a little bit of salt. So, you know, sieving it, and I'm gonna make some dough with it, called dumpling. So just add some water. So this is how I make mine. Persons like use a cup and throw water, knead, throw water, knead, but I don't do it that way. I do it like this. Easy for me. Alright, let's go to the pots, and let's do this. Yeah man, we'll go to the pot and we'll do it. Bite size. Roll it. That's it. machine?
No, this is cocoa.
Cocoa.
But this is a white cocoa. Yeah, the pink one.
Fresh from the farmer's market. From Basic Foods here in Canada. Canada lifestyle. Yard and Fern Life TV, Canadian lifestyle. Cutting them up in bite sizes. We are going to play some music, huh? Good old Jamaican music, reggae music. So right now, this piece of thing is called Jamaican yellow yam. So it grows under the earth. And it's very rich in carbohydrate and energy giving. It's an energy giving food. So I'm gonna looks like this. Cut it, and we're gonna peel it. Cut it in bite sizes. This is what I'm prepping to put in the soup. I'm not gonna put it in yet until everything is ready. So it's always best to use a peeling knife to do this. Right now we are making some chayote, Jamaican word, Jamaican name, chocho, but in this store here in America and Canada, it's called chayote. Looks like this. So you remember this that I prepped? I'm gonna put them in every single one. Drain all the water out, as much water as possible. Enough food. Whole heap of things are going in iPad, you know. Beer, food and thing in iPad. But we're not done with it yet, you know. So we just make this go and simmer down and thing, cook some more and thing, and then we add some more flavor to the pot. You see me? Yeah man, that's how we cook soup in Jamaica. Yard and Foreign Life TV. Canada lifestyle. Jamaican cooking, Canada life. Yeah. So we do it, you know? So we do it. So you look good. That will even flavor better. Yeah man, make it go and simmer down. Stay tuned, watch what I go on. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Like and share this channel. And stay tuned, we'll be right back. Yeah man, so the pot look away. We have put some noodle in the pot, you know. Some beef noodle and some cock soup. Yeah. So we just go drop them in the pot and see what I'm going on. Stay tuned and watch what I'm going.
So the chef said that the ship docked at 8:23 p.m. Ship dock, okay? Canadian Saturday soup.
So, whenever you like, whenever you're cooking Jamaican soup, whatever you want to put in there, you can have it just, you see, right there, just use that as a base. And then put whatever you want to put in there. Remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Yard on Foreign Life TV.
Hi guys, dinner time. So it's 4 o'clock and we're ready to eat now.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is the end product. Saturday soup. So I'm going to get some feedback from persons who are eating. So stay tuned and watch what's happening. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with everyone you know. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the soup, the Saturday soup. So big man, I go taste, you know. Go and do a thing. Talk about the soup.
Soup up, you know? Take up. Good. Sorry. So vegetarian, meat-tarian, whatever, soup is good.
Tastes alright. Alright.
No, so make it spicy.
I was saying if